Not to headbang.
What is up, my FX Maker family? Welcome back to the Halloween series. So, in this Halloween, today we're kicking off the Chatterer. So, if you want to learn how to do the Chatterer and how to recreate the Chatterer, continue watching. Also, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button and let's just jump right in. So, taking a life cast or a mannequin head, you just want to cover it all in some slip latex or mask latex. And you want to take some cotton balls and you want to unroll them and start laying them down, and then re-soaking them with some liquid latex to smooth them out and to sculpt with the cotton balls and liquid latex. So I'm going to keep layering cotton balls and liquid latex, making sure the cotton balls are really good and saturated and all that good stuff. So just sculpt, look at a reference photo and sculpt it like the reference photo. Also make it fit your face because you are sculpting on your face. Other than that, just keep going until you get to here. So this is what it looks like when you're finished sculpting and added the teeth and everything like that. Now I'm going to take a little clay tool and dip into some liquid latex, and we're going to really make sure the teeth are stuck inside the gums while also giving the gums a little bit of texture, kind of like a raw rotten gum type of feel, grungy, you know, just do you and go ham. But also look at a reference photo at the same time. Alright, so now it's time to start painting. So I'm taking some clear spray paint and I'm just going to paint and seal the latex, and now we're going to start painting. So taking acrylic paint, I'm taking like a cream beige type color, and we're just going to use this as a foundation base color for this mask. So cover your whole mask, foundation, prosthetic, you know what I'm saying, just cover it all with this base color. Now taking a pink acrylic paint, we're going to be going to a little cracks and crevices and kind of adding some more color, more dimension, and all the good stuff. This mask has several layers, so take your time and make it look realistic as possible. And I'm also taking a makeup wedge and wiping some of the paint off after I lay it down. Now I'm going to be taking a red acrylic paint. I'm going to be filling in our gums and our lips with this acrylic paint. Just make sure you do not get it on the teeth, because that is a no-no. But fill in your lips, fill in your gums, and have fun. Now, taking some blood, we're using a Smooth On Ultimate Blood Kit. We're going to be using two different shades. We're going to be using a fresh blood shade and a darker blood. But right now we're going in with a fresh blood shade, and we're just going to cover our lips, cover our gums, and the inside of our mouth with this blood. If you're a little bit messy with it, that's okay, because, you know, when you put wires in your mouth and you stretch your mouth, blood's going to go everywhere. So if you get a little bit messy with it, it's okay. Just try to keep it like the reference photo. Now I'm going in with a little bit darker blood, and we're just going to do it on the outer parts of our gums, maybe a little bit downwards on the gums a little bit. But other than that, we're going to add a little bit to our teeth. Not much, just a little bit. And we're going to take a makeup wedge and we're going to wipe it right back off, because we want them to be a little bit stained but not have blood set on them. Now we're going to take a watered down blood and we're going to start painting around our eyes and all the cracks and crevices where we painted the pink, just to give it some more depth, some more dimension, and make it look like it's raw and been burned. But we're also still looking at a reference photo. Your reference photo is really key for this makeup look, or any makeup look you are recreating that has been created before. Now, I made a DIY ball cap with a grocery bag and some tape. Now we're going to take our mask and we're going to trace around it to see where we need to outline our whole head and where to cover our head in cotton and latex to match our face. So I'm laying down a lot of liquid latex on my ball cap and on my face. And now we're going to take some cotton rolls and we're going to roll them out on our head like we did to make the mask. And you kind of want it to blend in with the mask, so every once in a while you might have to put your mask on your head just to make sure it blends in. But now we're going to take some liquid latex and we're really going to saturate the cotton balls. making sure they are really good and saturated and moist. I know y'all hate that word probably, but oh well. So now we gotta paint our hat slash ball cap slash headpiece like our mask. So have your mask right in front of you and just paint it. In a minute. Now it's time to rock out. So there's colors that need to match. And we're gonna rock out. Alright, so back to painting. We're taking the same base color we used for our mask and we're going to base our whole head in it. And now we're going to take some pink and go in all the little cracks and crevices. And now we're going to take some red and do the exact same thing with the crack and crevices. Just go ham, have fun. I love using the word ham. So now taking the fake blood again, we're going to go in all the little cracks and crevices where we put the red and pink acrylic paint. And now it's time to put the mask on. So taking some liquid latex, we're going to be gluing it on with liquid latex. You can also use Prozade, but put liquid latex and Prozade all over your ball cap and then also inside the mask on the edges. Stick it to your face, hold it there for a few seconds, and you should be good. So now we're going to be taking some liquid latex and we're going to be blending the mask and the headpiece together. So taking some liquid latex, pinning it on both of them, and now we're going to take some cotton balls and do the exact same thing that we done to the mask and to the head. And this is really going to blend it together and help it hold on to your face even more than the liquid latex is holding it on. And now when you take it off, you can have a whole piece mask. Also, don't forget to do the back of your head. Also, I did not show me doing that, but do the back of your head. And also do your chin, your jaw, and all that good stuff. You want this to be a one-piece solid look. Alright, so I added some wires, as you can tell. Yeah, he's supposed to have 3, but I only added 2. But be careful not to poke yourself. So we're going to take some more blood. We love blood on this channel. So we're going to take some blood and we're really going to bloody up the gums and the outside of the mouth, on the lips, and also on the outside of our mouth, like I just said. Because if your mouth gets stretched open by wires, blood's going to go everywhere. It's going to be a bloody mess. So this is the final look. So I added a little fancy coat. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you have not already and leave a comment down below. Otherwise than that, hope you guys enjoyed it and let's do a little dance. And yeah. So I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tour. Alright, bye everyone.